Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to find and manage your Facebook language setting. When you create a Facebook account, Facebook appears in the same language as the one you choose in your device's language setting. Facebook also match how to show dates, time and number to your language region. You can change your language setting to see things such as buttons, notifications, most text and tooltips in a different language. One thing you should keep in note that changing region setting such as temperature and dates, time and number formats are only available on your computer at this time. To change your language and region setting, go to the setting, tap on the drop down and tap on settings and privacy. On settings and privacy, you will find language. Here you can change Facebook language, select your language and tap Save Changes. Region format, tap and find your region. Tap Save Changes. You can change temperature unit, post from friends and pages. Here you can also change the language. The post will be translated into that language. If you don't want to be offered translation for, you can select the languages. Language you don't want to automatically translated, here you can set the language. Multilingual post, a feature that lets you post multiple language version of a status. If you want, you can turn this off by tapping the edit icon. Friends, this was our today's video. I hope it was very helpful for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.